You might not think about them often, but your kidneys are silently and tirelessly working every moment to keep you healthy. These unsung heroes of your body are crucial for filtering out toxins and managing waste. But did you know that what you drink can significantly impact how well they function? From the morning coffee that kickstarts your day to the soothing tea at night, every sip you take can either be a boon or a burden to your kidneys. Today, we're diving into the best 7 drinks that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also cleanse and detox your kidneys fast, ensuring they're in top-notch condition. So, grab your favorite mug or glass, and let's embark on a journey to discover these kidney-friendly elixirs. Water. Water, often overlooked, is the cornerstone of kidney health. It's not just a thirst quencher, it's a vital tool for your kidneys to filter and eliminate waste from your body. Imagine your kidneys as a sophisticated filtration system. Every day, they process around 200 quarts of blood, sifting through waste and extra water to create urine. This process is crucial for maintaining a stable balance of body chemicals. The simplicity of water plays a pivotal role in this intricate process. When you drink adequate water, it aids your kidneys in their primary function, to remove toxins and waste materials from your blood. It helps in dissolving minerals and nutrients, making them accessible to your body. More importantly, it helps in flushing out non-essential elements. If you're not consuming enough water, your kidneys have to work harder, and the risk of kidney stones increases. These stones are formed when there are high levels of waste products and not enough fluid to dilute them. So, how much water should you drink? The answer varies depending on several factors like your health, activity level, and where you live. However, a general guideline is to aim for about 8 8-ounce glasses, which is roughly 2 liters or half a gallon a day. This is called the 8-8-8 rule and is easy to remember. But remember, needs can vary. For instance, if you're exercising or living in a hot climate, your body will need more water. Listen to your body and drink when you're thirsty. Unsweetened green tea. Unsweetened green tea stands out as a beverage with remarkable benefits for kidney health. Its secret weapon, epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, a potent antioxidant. EGCG is known for its ability to combat oxidative stress, a condition that can lead to chronic kidney disease. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, and they are a natural byproduct of metabolism. However, excessive amounts can lead to cell damage and have been linked to kidney disease. Green tea, rich in EGCG, helps neutralize these harmful free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic kidney diseases. It's not just about prevention. EGCG can also aid in the treatment of existing kidney issues by minimizing inflammation and damage. Additionally, green tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping the body eliminate excess fluid and thereby reducing the burden on the kidneys. How can you incorporate green tea into your diet? It's best enjoyed unsweetened to maximize its health benefits. Adding sugar or honey can counteract its positive effects. For a twist, try adding a cinnamon stick or a splash of lemon juice for flavor. As for the amount, drinking 3 to 5 cups of green tea per day is recommended. This provides about 250 to 500 milliliters of catechins, the antioxidants that make green tea so beneficial. Black coffee. Black coffee, often hailed for its ability to energize, also harbors significant benefits for kidney health. Recent studies have shed light on how regular consumption of black coffee can reduce the risk of developing kidney stones and support overall kidney function. A study published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases revealed a fascinating correlation. Increasing coffee intake from 1 to 1.5 cups daily can reduce the risk of kidney stones by 40%. This is attributed to coffee's diuretic effect, which helps flush out excess calcium and sodium that can contribute to stone formation. Furthermore, research from Johns Hopkins Medicine indicates that consuming at least 1 cup of coffee per day may reduce the risk of acute kidney injury by 15%. This protective effect is thought to be due to coffee's unique blend of antioxidants and caffeine, which improve blood flow and oxygen utilization in the kidneys. This enhanced blood flow aids the kidneys in their critical function of filtering blood and maintaining fluid balance. However, moderation is key. While black coffee offers these benefits, excessive consumption can lead to potential risks, especially for individuals with certain genetic predispositions. Some people have a gene variant that slows caffeine metabolism, potentially increasing the risk of kidney dysfunction if they consume large amounts of coffee. Therefore, it's essential to enjoy black coffee in moderation and be mindful of individual reactions to caffeine. Consulting a healthcare provider is advisable for those with existing kidney conditions or concerns about caffeine intake. Low-sugar smoothies. Low-sugar smoothies are a delightful way to support kidney health while enjoying a variety of flavors. These smoothies can be packed with nutrients while keeping sugar and potassium levels in check, making them ideal for those looking to maintain or improve kidney function. Here are a couple of recipes for kidney-friendly smoothies. Berry Bliss Smoothie. 1-2 cup fresh or frozen blueberries, 1-2 cup fresh or frozen strawberries, 1-2 banana optional for added sweetness, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or low-fat milk, a handful of spinach or kale for added nutrients, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for omega-3 fatty acids. Blend all ingredients until smooth. This smoothie is rich in antioxidants from the berries, while the chia seeds provide a healthy dose of omega-3 fatty acids. The use of low-fat milk or almond milk keeps the potassium content lower than regular dairy milk. These smoothies emphasize the importance of low sugar and low potassium ingredients, crucial for maintaining kidney health. They provide essential nutrients without overloading the kidneys with high levels of potassium, which can be harmful, especially in individuals with compromised kidney function. Unsweetened cranberry juice. Unsweetened cranberry juice is a powerful ally in maintaining kidney health, particularly in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs. Cranberries contain compounds known as proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from adhering to the bladder and urinary tract walls. This mechanism is crucial in reducing the incidence of UTIs, which, if recurrent, can lead to kidney damage. A study in the journal Food and Function in 2019 suggested that cranberry supplementation could reduce the risk of urinary tract infections by 32% in individuals with chronic kidney disease. This reduction in UTI risk is significant as it lowers the likelihood of kidney damage and scarring caused by repeated infections. However, it's essential to choose unsweetened cranberry juice, as added sugars can negate the health benefits and potentially lead to other health issues. Individuals with high blood potassium levels, diabetes, or certain allergies should consult their healthcare provider before incorporating cranberry juice into their diet. Moderation is also crucial. A recommended intake is no more than half a cup per day to avoid excessive sugar and calorie intake. Lemon water. Lemon water, a simple concoction of lemon juice mixed with water, is more than just a refreshing drink. It plays a significant role in preventing kidney stones and supporting the detoxification process of the kidneys. The key component in lemons that aids this process is citric acid. Citric acid has the remarkable ability to increase urine volume and pH, creating an environment less favorable for kidney stone formation. By diluting the concentration of waste products in the urine, citric acid helps prevent the crystallization of these materials, which is the primary cause of kidney stones. Red grapes. Red grapes are not only a delicious snack, but also a boon for kidney health. One of the key components in red grapes that contributes to their health benefits is resveratrol. Resveratrol is a type of natural phenol found in the skin of red grapes and is known for its antioxidant properties. This compound has been shown to have protective effects on the kidneys, particularly in conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure, which can be detrimental to kidney health. For those with kidney concerns, it's essential to be mindful of portion sizes. Grapes, like all fruits, contain natural sugars and calories, so moderation is key. A standard serving size is about a cup of grapes, which is roughly 15 to 20 grapes. This amount provides a healthy dose of resveratrol and other nutrients without overloading the body with sugar. As we wrap up our journey through the world of kidney-friendly drinks, remember that your kidneys are more than just another organ. They are vital to your overall health and well-being. Whether it's the refreshing simplicity of water, the antioxidant-rich green tea, or the surprising benefits of black coffee and lemon water, each of these 7 drinks offers something unique for your kidney health. Remember, your journey towards better health is always more enjoyable when shared. Until next time, stay hydrated and healthy.